looking there, but I want to look at you.
Onomatopoeia.
Onomatopoeia?
What was the question? Hippopotamus?
Next question.
Hello. Hello. Let me do another one. I'm Shilpi from...
I'm a developer relations manager. I've been here for a year and a half.
Strategic Sales Development Manager, and I've been at Acumatica for 2.5 years.
Integrated Marketing Senior Manager. I've been with Acumatica for 3 years.
I'm the Senior Manager of Partner Operations. I have been with Acumatica for 3 years.
I'm one of the Senior ERP Implementation Consultants, and I've been with Acumatica for 3.5 years.
I'm the Chief Revenue Officer for Acumatica, and I've been here for 4 years.
I am a Senior Strategic Sales Development Manager, celebrating my 5-year anniversary today.
Acumatica is an incredible growth story that proves that nice guys can finish first.
It is an environment where people focus on the job at hand, pull together, and get stuff done.
What word? Inspiring.
Our priority is to deliver on our promise to our customers and partners.
You can really feel the impact that you're making on a daily basis, and you get to learn from a lot of really talented individuals.
Acumatica made the job really easy because the products are absolutely fantastic.
We're constantly changing and listening to our customers.
It's a product that really changes people's daily lives, and their willingness to tell the story on our behalf, it just blows me away.
One of my favorite benefits is the work-life balance.
Acumatica allows me to be creative, innovative. The thing I like the most about my job is really the autonomy that my managers have provided me to be able to trust in my skills.
I love the people. I love the culture with Acumatica.
It's a very diverse culture. It's a small UN, United Nations.
Everyone is so friendly. Everyone wants to help you.
Everyone that I've interacted with has made it so much easier and made me really feel like I'm a part of the team and like this is my home.
Everyone comes in with a smile. Everyone's very genuine, and it's just a really, really great place to work. I just automatically feel loved right when I walk into the door.
The leadership team is very focused. It's very professional.
They know what they're talking about. Always leading us the right way.
Empowering and friendly and easy to reach.
Approachable, supportive, and they're truly invested in our success.
I can go to them with any question. They actually care about you as a person. You're not a number. They care about your goals and seeing where you want to go.
They want to see the company grow. They want to see their people grow.
Very passionate, very trusting. There's not really a lot of micromanaging.
Your voice matters, and you feel like you're contributing to the company's success.
They have been superb, and I'm very much thankful for them.
They are down to earth, and just connecting with everybody across the organization really makes them real people.
I feel like I truly can make a difference and that I'm valued.
Where's Acumatica heading? To the moon and back. 10,000 plus customers, we're getting more every day. Unstoppable.
Boundless, limitless. We're going to continue growing and delivering great product to our customers.
So we're going to keep going up and up and up.
We've seen exponential growth in the Americas, and we're now starting to see this in the UK.
The technology that we bring to the table that nobody can touch us at this point.
I know that we have the leadership that can take us where we need to go.
Here we have a free place to be ourselves, to grow, and especially to contribute to this amazing project.
Acumatica is just getting started.
I love it.
Get ready, because we're going to have some fun winning, and winning some more.
If you are looking to be in a dynamic environment, work with great people, this is the absolute place to be.
The future of Acumatica. Man, it's so bright. I gotta wear shit.